how to fix the Facebook verification code is not received. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now the first thing that you want to do is go to the settings and then go to the messages app right here, and then make sure that iMessage in general is turned on. And yeah, once that's turned on, then you can scroll a bit down and make sure what this is turned off. Now the message filtering, filter unknown senders. Now a lot of people have this turned on, but this will actually filter or like block out the verification codes, because those are unknown senders, and yeah, by having this setting on, that will filter it out. So make sure this is turned off right here. And yeah, if you still don't have the verification code, then the last thing that you can do is basically just turn off your phone like fully and then turn it back on. Maybe then it will work. If that still doesn't work, then it might just be like a sort of like problem with Facebook, and maybe just try it an hour later or a day later, and then it should probably work. So these are a couple options you could try to fix it. I hope these helped, and if they did, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.